Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have two robot vacuum cleaners that are making waves in the market. In one corner, we have the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and in the other corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Let's dive into the features and find out which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is priced at $199, while the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at a higher price point of $599. So, if you're on a budget, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner might be the better option for you. Now let's talk about the cleaning modes. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers 6 different cleaning modes including Auto Clean, Spot Clean, Edge Clean, Zigzag Clean, Scheduled Clean, and Manual Clean. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum features Matrix Clean, which cleans in a precision matrix grid ensuring whole home deep cleaning coverage. Both options provide versatile cleaning capabilities, so it really depends on your specific needs. When it comes to smart features, both robot vacuums have a lot to offer. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be controlled through the Lefant app, allowing you to schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, and even control the direction of the vacuum. It also supports voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum also supports voice control and can be controlled through the Shark Clean app. Additionally, it features 360 degrees lidar vision for precision home mapping, ensuring efficient and accurate cleaning. Battery life is an important factor to consider when choosing a robot vacuum cleaner. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner uses lithium iron phosphate batteries and can achieve up to 120 minutes of runtime. However, it's worth noting that this is in low suction running mode. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers extended runtime with its Recharge and Resume feature, allowing it to return to the dock, recharge, and pick up where it left off. For those of you with furry friends at home, pet-friendly features are a must. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is designed with a unique brushless suction port, ensuring that pet hair and dirt go into the dustbin easily without getting entangled. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum also excels in this area with its powerful suction and self-cleaning brush roll, specifically engineered to pick up more hair and prevent hair wrap. Based on online reviews, here's an overall assessment of the two robot vacuum cleaners. So, there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. Both options have their own strengths and cater to different needs. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers affordability and a range of cleaning modes, while the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum impresses with its precision home mapping and self-emptying base. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and specific requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching and stay smart with your purchases.